Welcome to the Williams Brothers Corporation of America, the world's largest access door store. Today, we're excited to introduce the WB DWAL series of access doors, designed for seamless integration into walls, ceilings, or tile for a clean, invisible appearance. To begin, take the box containing the access door and locate the template on the back. Carefully cut out the template along the dotted line. Place the template on the area where you want to install the access panel and trace around it with a pen or pencil to mark the perimeter. Next, using a pen or pencil, extend the markings approximately ½ inch beyond the template, following the path indicated by the arrows. Remove the template and use a jigsaw with a drill bit to cut out the marked area in the drywall. After cutting, use a file planer to smooth the edges of the sheet, both inside and out, to ensure a clean finish. Position the outer frame of the access panel into the recess, inserting it at an angle. Hold the frame in place and secure it with screws at the designated points, as indicated in the instructions. Once the screws are in place, cover them with the provided safety caps. Proceed to grout around the outer frame and allow it to dry. Once dry, sand the area carefully for a smooth finish. After grouting and painting, it's crucial to thoroughly clean all aluminum profiles of any residue. Finally, insert the inner frame, making sure to align it properly. Follow the instructions provided in the package for the correct placement. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore our extensive range of products, including roof hatches, floor hatches, and more. Visit WBdoors.com or call us at 800-255-5515 for more information.